right?
And then sin is the absence of love.
Yes.
So...
Or you could say really the disharmony with law as well, isn't it? The law being love. Yep.
So it's not an actual thing. It's more like...
No, it is a thing.
So like...
But it's a human creation.
But can I see it in your soul?
Yeah. You can.
Is it just the, like, if you'd say love was light, then sin is like the absence of light? Or is it its own sort of substance?
Yes, it's its own substance. It has different colours, not just black. Black is one of the colours. But there are other colours. There's, like, if you have rage, it's a very dark, browny red colour that comes out of your soul. So you see it. You see it. As soon as you meet the person and you can see that colour, you know they're angry. Yeah. Shame, different colour, coming out of soul, different places of the physical spirit body it comes out of too. And so if it's sexual shame, you'd see it coming out of the second here. And you would see it as a colour coming out of that location. It's a distorted colour of rose. But it's not. It's dark and muddy and dirty colour. Quite unpleasant to look at, actually. And that comes out of that area, and you know sexual shame exists in that person.
But it is an actual substance that you do actually release.
Yeah. It's got a smell too. It has a smell. Every sin has a smell. To your spirit body.
That's good.
Fortunately not to your earth body, because otherwise you'd be, everybody pongs, you know.
Well, that's what it's like when a really developed spirit
comes.
kind of comes to the earth.
He's got to turn off
kind of yucky. Yeah.
He's got to turn off his nasal senses to have your company. True, yeah, he does. He just zones out of it, you know. He wants to spend time in your company. He wants to help you. Love drives him, so love is a more powerful quality. And so if you're a bit smelly, he just puts up with it. But he sort of zones out. He doesn't let it into his sense. He stops, he blocks it from entering his sense. So it's sort of like creating you could almost like it like creating a force field that stops smells coming around yourself, unless you select them. So, yeah, every spirit of particularly good development has that.